In today's video, I'm going to show you how to preview an email for a specific lead in Lemlist. So first in the left panel, head over to campaigns and open up a specific campaign. And here from the overview page, head over to sequence. And here, scroll in this email editor at the bottom until you see the preview button. So click on it. And here at the top, you can actually customize the preview, starting with choosing the sender and, of course, choosing your contact or lead. Lemlist will then generate the email exactly as that lead would see it, complete with personalization variables like their name, company, or custom fields. And this is a great way to catch errors, missing data, or awkward phrasing before emails are sent. You can actually also switch to mobile view by clicking on this phone icon at the top and more options like check spam score and send email test. And once done, save your changes and then you can start launching this campaign once again. Thank you for watching this video. Also feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!